Namaste and welcome to day 4 of Mindful 30 Challenge. And today the practice is about creating space. Alright, with that, I encourage you to get into a very comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and just observe how you're feeling today. Try to see if you can notice your natural paced breath without altering how you're breathing. Just notice the rise and fall in the body. Every inhalation, try to make more space for the air to come in. Let the belly expand. With every exhalation, relax your belly and release. We'll join the palms at heart center and we'll chant one Om sound together. Inhale. Om. Gently relax your hands and give some time for your body to absorb what you're feeling after chanting Om sound. And welcoming this day with a beautiful smile, slowly open your eyes. We'll start with getting into all fours. So coming onto your knees and the palms. Shoulders, wrist in one line, hips and knees in one line. It's a windy day today. You can see so many leaves are moving all around. So let's enjoy the weather wherever you are right now. You're going to inhale, expand and take your head up. Exhale, contract, take your head to the navel. Inhale, expand, make more space within your body, within your mind. Exhale, contract. Continue. Inhale, expanding. Exhale, contracting. From here, we're going to add the head. So your body keeps doing what you were doing. And you're going to add head rotation to this. Clockwise rotating of the head. As you inhale when you go up and exhale when you take your head down. 2 more rounds. Enjoy it. Take it at your own tempo. And reverse the direction now, anti-clockwise. Feel each and every vertebrae in your spine as much as you can. Keep your eyes closed as you rotate that head and feel your spine coordinating with it. 2 more rounds. Last one. And center. Slowly come up seated on your knees from here. We're going to do these basic spine waves but seated on your knee. This is one of my favorite practices. All you have to do is you can watch the first round. You have to scoop your chin to your chest and imagine your head is like an ice cream scoop. So you scoop your way down, ahead, as much as you can and all the way back. And then from there, reach out from your chest, reverse the way you entered. And roll up your head. And that is one. Alright, let's do it slowly together. Chin to chest. Slowly take your head lower. Scoop through the floor, nose, chin, chest. Going all the way up and back. And reverse it. Chin ahead first, chest ahead. Take the chin to the chest to roll up. Vertebrate by vertebrate. Try doing this with your eyes closed. And see if you can feel each and every corner in your spine as you do this. As you go back, reverse, reaching out from the chest. Try to do it at your own pace. You can go slower than this. Last one. Lovely. Whenever you're done, just keep your eyes closed, come back to center. The practice is about being open to what you're feeling and allowing more and more space for experiences and learning. Okay, don't bind yourself with an outline that I know this, I don't know this, I don't want to do this looks hard or easy. Have no boundaries. Make more and more space to welcome as many things as possible. Alright, from here I'm going to give you two options. Option 1 is going with knee supported cobra and child's pose. Okay, option 2, without knee, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Let's do this 10 times together. Choose your options. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Now as you're doing this, make sure your body is engaged. You're using your abdominal region to do this. Yes, don't keep it very loose and don't drop your pelvis completely. We're done with 4. Good. 5. Feel free to rest wherever you need. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Stay in downward facing dog. Adjust your legs if you feel like. Hang your head down, relax it. Press your fingertips. Step your right leg ahead between the palms. Drop your back knee down. You can add a cushion underneath your knee. Alright, from here, just drop your hips lower, stay there. If this is too much for you, just stay there. If you want to add, you can add this hand and go into Anjaneya Asana. So arching your back and opening more space for yourself. Breathe. Slowly come back down. Take your knees back, go back into downward facing dog. We do the same thing on the left leg ahead. Drop the back knee down, stay there. And if you want to add, you can add. Slowly add. Breathe. Slowly release. Now from here, drop your knees down. Go into child's pose. Relax your chest and head down. Breathe. Alright, from here, we're going to come into standing knee. So you're going to stand up on your knees. Roll your shoulders back as you hold your waist. Okay, from here, you have to engage your glutes and then release. Let's do this 5 times together. Engage, release, engage, release. Good. Engage, release, engage, release. Last one. Engage, hold it, roll your shoulders back, lengthen your chest up and try to see if you can push the pelvis slightly ahead. Keep your chin to your chest so that you can breathe. And slowly come back up. Whew, that was good. One more time. Roll the shoulders back, glutes engage, lean ahead with the pelvis, chin to chest and breathe. Chest up higher. And release. Good. Sit up on your knees. What we're going to do is we're going to make a little more space for our chest. So how do we do that? You're going to lie down on your stomach. Okay. From here, you're going to place your elbows down on the floor. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your elbows slightly ahead of the shoulders. So if this is under the shoulder, keep it slightly ahead. Relax your toes. Roll the shoulders back. And press your palms and try to pull your sternum ahead. Pull your chest ahead towards the front. You're pressing the palms down and towards you and chest ahead. Breathe. 5, 4. Relax your breath. Relax your shoulders. You're doing amazing. Create more and more space for yourself. Inviting all the good energies into the space. And slowly release the head down. Relax the elbows by pushing it out. And release your head down on your palms. From here, let's just bend both the knees. Okay. And see if you can reach out for your ankle. See if you can reach out for both the ankles. Roll your shoulders back, keep your chin slightly lifted, and see if you can pull the legs away from you till you can lift your thighs off. Have a good smile on your face and breathe. Let the breathing happen. Almost there, breathe. And release your legs gently, one at a time, and relax your head down. Let's do a little bit of strengthening from here. So what we have to do is you're just going to keep your hands behind your head, lift your elbows off, and just lift your chest up and down just 10 times. Inhale. Don't put a lot of weight on your head. Your hands are just merely touching your head. 3. Beautiful. 4. We call it the no hand cobra. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one, hold it. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your hands and just breathe. Just shake off your hips a little bit. Relax your lower back. Slowly push back into child's pose. Lengthen your hands as ahead as you can, and it helps you stretch and release that spine. From here, slowly come up. Get seated on your hips, legs straight in front of you. And slowly just keep your hands on your legs wherever it naturally falls. Lengthen your spine and just walk it down and release your head down and just breathe. 5 breaths here. I am creating more and more space for myself. I'm welcoming things that are planned by the universe for me and things that I plan for myself in this journey. I'm creating space for all the possibilities ahead of me, and I let go of things that are not in my control. Slowly come up. Lovely. Beautiful. That was really nice practicing with you all. I hope you had a good time. Thank you so much. And if you have time, I suggest you to just lie down on the mat for next 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you so much for practicing. Have a good day.